What's up guys, it's Stefan here. Welcome back. Today we'll be playing some Roblox Jailbreak. This was suggested by my girl Sienna. So yeah, we're gonna play it. Today we're gonna be become a prisoner, cause why not? So yeah, let's get started. We're gonna try and get a key card so that we can get escape. Come on, come on. Open the door. Okay, we're in. Gonna get them guns. You may have not heard of this, but there's actually a crouch glitch, which you can go through like walls. So you just go behind and then you just like crouch and you'll glitch through. So yeah. I got guns. We're gonna try and getting a key card. There's not any cop around. I might just go and escape. Let me do the crouch glitch so that I can get through. Okay, I'm in. Let me just open this case. Got a blue. We're gonna get this helicopter. Hijacking the helicopter. Okay, let's go. Come on. Okay. Also, shout out to my friend, my classmate Cindy for supporting my channel too. Also, shout out to Jayden. He's my friend from the school. So yeah. We're gonna try robbing as much as we can in this video. So yeah. My goal is to get the Tron bike. I only have like 682,000, but I'm gonna farm some more money so I can get it. Okay, we're robbing bank. Come on. Hurry, hurry, hurry. I think police officers are here. No! We got arrested. RIP. When you try your best but you never succeed in life, this is what happens. Gonna try doing the crouch glitch, cause why not? Ooh, cop. Let me try getting the key card. RIP, I didn't get a key card. I guess I have to wait till I'm released. RIP, cop. Let me try. Oh, RIP, she died. We're gonna try and do the crouch glitch again to get through this door so that we can get some guns. Come on. Ooh, there's a cop here. I'm gonna try and get a key card. Yes, got a key card. Come on, come on, come on. Gonna get them guns. Get in. Oh god, cop, 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 cop. Pow, pow, pow. Die, stupid cop, die. Die, 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 die. Okay, come on. Also guys, subscribe and comment down below what you guys want me to do, and I'll just do it. Okay, so just subscribe and comment down below what you guys want me to do. Yes, heli. Gonna get this heli. Woo! Okay, let's try getting to the city again by not getting arrested by cops, cause that would be great. Rip, bank's open. Is jewelry open? Ooh, yes it is. Let's go rob it. Woo! Come on. Come on, Cindy. Come on. Whoa, why is it so laggy? Get in them monies. Woo! You know what? Our goal for today is gonna be to get at least 700k money. If we don't, then rip. Okay. Jump over these lasers. Dodge these lasers. And we'll be good to go. Come on, Cindy. She has to heal. Rip. Gonna see if a copper is here. Yep, there's a copper. Why? Why do cops have to be campers? Like, there's no. Why do they have to be campers? I don't get campers these days. Okay, gonna try and escape. Hurry, hurry, hurry! Come on, we gotta shoot these coppers! Ah! Ah! Pew, pew, pew! Come on! Die, you stupid cops, die! Well, rip Cindy, she got arrested by those cops. That was a close one. I see that bank's open, so we might rob bank after we go to the criminal base. I guess he's getting guns. I'm gonna abandon him. No, I'm not gonna abandon him. That would be just savage. Damn, that was a good jump. Ooh, nice texture. Very nice. We might go rob jewelry right now. So yeah. Where is Cindy? I have no clue where Cindy is. Oh god, cop. Go, go, go. Them drifts though. Also guys, thank you so much for the support yesterday. For my first video, it means a lot. So yeah. I can't believe I got just like 24 views from you guys. It means a lot. Let's go shoot these coppers. Really? Does this guy seriously have to camp? Oh god, cop, 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 cop. Pow, pow, pow. Come on, die, you stupid cop. Yes. Okay, we can rob bank. Let's go rob bank. Shoot them coppers. Shoot them coppers. I hope we can successfully get this money, cause it would be great if we got this money. God, I hate these coppers. I don't get why cops have to be campers. Like seriously. Okay, so we have full amount of money. Rip. I got arrested. Rip me. That was some intense stuff there. God, I hate just campers. They're so dumb. Well guys, this is going to be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment down below what you guys want me to do again. And I'll see you guys later.